Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart and could change the way you think about your wood carving hobby. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion for carving into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share my journey of selling wood carvings, from the very first piece I created to the thriving little business I've built. I'll cover everything from selecting the right materials and techniques to finishing touches that make your pieces shine. Plus, I'll give you insider tips on pricing, marketing, and connecting with your customers. General Purpose Assistant Bot. For queries requiring up-to-date information, it can access. Wood carving is an ancient art form that transforms raw wood into beautiful sculptures and functional items. Before diving into the actual carving, proper preparation and sealing are crucial to achieving stunning results and ensuring the longevity of your projects. Selecting the right wood. The first step in any wood carving project is selecting the appropriate type of wood. Different woods have varying hardness, grain patterns, and workability. Soft woods like pine and basswood are popular for beginners due to their ease of carving, while hardwoods like oak or cherry offer durability and a finer finish but can be more challenging to work with. When choosing wood, consider the final use of your project. For decorative pieces, aesthetics may take precedence, whereas functional items may require stronger, more durable woods. Preparing your workspace. Set up a comfortable and well-lit workspace. Ensure you have all your tools and materials within reach. A sturdy workbench is essential, as it provides a stable surface for carving. Use clamps to secure your workpiece, allowing you to carve safely without it moving around. Tools for wood carving. Investing in the right tools is vital for successful wood carving. Basic carving tools include carving knives, used for detailed work and shaping. Gouges, ideal for removing larger sections of wood. V-tools, great for fine lines and detailing. Chisels, useful for straight cuts and larger areas. Whittling knives, perfect for smooth cuts and shaping. Ensure your tools are sharp, as dull tools can lead to frustration and mistakes. Regularly honing and sharpening your tools will make carving easier and more enjoyable. Safety precautions. Before starting, it's essential to prioritize safety. Always carve away from your body to avoid injuries. Wearing a cut-resistant glove on your non-dominant hand can provide extra protection. Additionally, consider using a thumb guard when working with small pieces. Repairing the wood. Once you've selected your wood and gathered your tools, the next step is preparing the wood for carving. Start by checking for any defects, such as knots or cracks, which may affect your project. If you're working with rough lumber, use a planer to smooth the surface and a band saw or jigsaw to cut it to your desired shape. After rough shaping, sand the wood lightly to remove any splinters or rough edges. Begin with a lower grit sandpaper, around 80 to 120 grit, to shape the wood, then progress to higher grits, up to 220 grit, for a smoother finish. Designing your project. Before you start carving, sketch your design on paper. This will help you visualize the final product and identify any potential challenges. Once satisfied with the design, transfer it onto the wood. You can draw directly on the surface with a pencil, use carbon paper, or even print a design and trace it onto the wood. Carving techniques. Now it's time to begin carving. Start with the larger, more straightforward shapes before moving on to finer details. Use steady, controlled movements, and don't rush the process. Here are a few techniques to consider. Roughing out, remove large amounts of wood to create the basic shape. Shaping, refine the form by gradually removing material. Detailing, add intricate details using smaller tools for precision. Finishing touches. Once you've completed the carving, inspect your work for any rough spots or imperfections. Use sandpaper to smooth out these areas, ensuring a clean finish. Depending on the design, you may want to add additional details or textures using specialized tools. Sealing the wood. Sealing is a crucial step to protect your carved piece from moisture, dirt, and damage. There are several options for sealing, including wood oils. These penetrate the wood, enhancing its natural grain and providing a protective layer. Popular choices include linseed oil, tung oil, and Danish oil. Apply with a cloth and let it soak in before wiping off the excess. Polyurethane. This clear finish creates a durable, protective layer on the surface. It's available in various sheens, from matte to glossy. Apply with a brush or spray can, following the manufacturer's instructions for drying times between coats. Shellac, a natural finish that provides a warm tone and a beautiful sheen. Shellac can be applied with a brush and dries quickly, but may not be as durable as polyurethane. Varnish offers a hard-wearing finish that can withstand moisture and wear. It's available in different formulations, so choose one suited for your project. Application process. Regardless of the sealing method chosen, follow these general steps for application. Clean the surface. Ensure that the carved surface is free from dust and debris. A soft cloth or vacuum can help. Apply the sealer. Use a brush, cloth, or spray, depending on your chosen method. Apply thin, even coats to avoid drips and pooling. Drying time. Allow the sealer to dry completely as per the manufacturer's instructions. This may take several hours to a day. Sanding between coats. For a smoother finish, lightly sand between coats using fine grit sandpaper, around 220 grit. Remove dust with a soft cloth before applying additional coats. Final coat. After the last coat, let the piece cure for a few days for optimal durability. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful for your wood carving journey. Remember, creating quality carvings is just the beginning, effectively marketing them is key to success. Don't forget to experiment with your designs and find the best sales channels for your unique style. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more woodworking tips and techniques. I'd love to hear about your experiences with selling your own carvings, so drop a comment below. Until next time, happy carving, and keep creating.